Hi, it's Richard Smith here from Amazing ICT, and I've been asked today about how I make my movies for school blogs or for YouTube. So this is exactly how I do them. I used to do them on Movie Maker, which allowed me to sort of animate different things, mix them together. But I found it took too long, and I've noticed in schools it doesn't work on version 10 of Windows anyway, so I've had to adapt. So this is my iPad. So what you have to do, it'll only work on certain versions. So if you click in settings, you'll see that mine's an iPad 6th generation. So you need to have a look. So anything that's too old, it might not work on. And also it needs operating system 12, and a lot of them are 10 or 9. So this is how you set it up. So first of all, that was in general, by the way, so that's really useful because you can see the capacity of your iPad, how much space you got left and things like that. So what you have to do once you've got a reasonably new iPad is to then click on the control center. Now the control center is really useful, and I'll show it you in a minute. So you go up to the top and you make sure that you click on this little arrow here, and these are all the different tools that you've got available on your control center. So what I need to have is I need to scroll down and I need to click on screen recorder. So I'm clicking on the plus there, and then what I'll be able to do is if I press the home button, when I go to the top right, and you've got to fiddle with this a little bit, it's a little bit difficult because if you go too high or too far to the right it won't work. So it's almost like the intersection on that corner, so you just drag down, and then it's the bottom one here. These are all your other things that you can use in your control center. So you've even got screen mirror in here, which is really useful, and a QR code reader. So you rest your finger on it, don't click it, rest your finger on it, and then you have to click on the grey microphone off and make it turn on, and then you want it to record to the camera roll. So you can do it to these different applications, but I've never done that. I just do it to the camera roll and then upload it to where I want. So after that you click on start recording, gives you a countdown, so you click off it, and then you get a little flashing red bit at the top. So imagine I want to do one about Amazing ICT, about my business. I'll click on Safari, make sure it's on where you want it to be, and then you start. So you click on it, and then, well, here I am today, and I'm just going to do a little bit for you about Scratch. So type in amazingict.co.uk, click on the Scratch channel, and then you can see all the projects. So if you go to view all, you'll get over 1,000 projects that I've done with children. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the iPad and carry on with that tutorial. So what happens is you do a little tutorial, say about Stone Age on Scratch, and then when you've finished you just click on this little icon at the top, make sure you click on stop, and then you've got to be patient. It should go to the camera roll, which is called photos, and then you'll go back to the home screen, and then you'll click on photos and it'll be there. And then you can even mix it on iMovie. So if I want to put music, I will go to iMovie, and then you can see here's one I did last week. So when I play it, you've got some music as well. Welcome to this magic world of... So there you are, you know all the secrets about how to make your own movie. Email me at amazingict@me.com if you need any help. Thank you.